Kind Master Diamond.
Oh.
That's not what I looked up. That's not what I wanted either.
Jax.
Does that say arcade.omelet?
What the fuck?
Omelet Arcade.
Omelet Arcade. Me.
Wow.
Let's see what? What? This didn't take me to anything. I want my omelet back. What the fuck is this?
My
Does
ass.
it help me pay taxes? Do I get to pay my taxes easier? What am I kidding? I don't have taxes.
Pay your effing taxes, Jax. God.
We are outgunned, what outmanned, what outnumbered, outpay fucking taxes.
Oh my god, your singing gives me life.
Oh my god. I will carry hell to your titties.
Oh my god.
Taxes.
What the fuck?
Download from server 1 or download from server 2? We'll do server 1 because why not?
Someone's snoring? What the fuck?
That was me. Really? What? Hex attack?
You need that in your life, Jax. You need
No, I do not.
You need Hex Attack help.
I'm not a robot.
Yeah, you are.